Yeah, hello everyone. Today I want to just quickly do chart markup for gold, GBP, and GBPJPY. Hopefully I'll be able to run this down in about 15 minutes or so. So I'll be in a rush. So on the weekly chart, price is currently uptrending. So here is gonna be our low. And for the weekly, I use orange. Then this is our high. So when I move down to daily, I'll start my analysis from here. Then this is gonna be our daily chart. Then since we're on the daily chart, I'm going to identify the major zone on this daily chart. So when price was here, so because we are starting the analysis from here, price came down here, then from here, price came back up here. From here, price dropped down here. Actually, price from here came down here, pushed up, then give us continuation. So this is what I mean. Price came here, This is the same structure here. Finally dropped here. So this is the current structure. So let's see. So all these moves here is actually happening within this current structure. But I want to point out the two significant structure here is going to be this, the one price from here drop down, price from here dropped, pull back, then give us this low. So I'm going to identify here, I'm using this black line. So price from here dropped, pushed up, then give us this low. So these are the three key structures that I want to identify. Here to here is almost the same size. Also here to here. So now let's see. So you see that once price came back to this zone, we started having this drop. So this place was a daily low. Now this is going to be from here. So for the daily, I use red line. I didn't mark this thing well. So this is now our daily high. So I'll come down to the H4 time frame. I can name this so on this H4 time frame now, I'm going to, from this low, so from this low, from here, from this initial move, price from here, give us this move, give us this, so now that we're about coming down, now that price is about dropping, so this place won't be on top no more. It's not going to be on top here, it's going to be here to cover this week to the body. So it's going to be there, and For the H4, I use blue line. Then also these ones can still take up the up one. Maybe. It's gonna be from here. Yeah. Then also this place. This is a very important structure. So, and I think this is it. This is what we need. So you see how significant these parts are. These zones are to the price. So now price was here. Price has come back here. So we're now it's supposed to drop here. That's why I'm selling. So price has moved from price will always go from daily high to daily low. If price breaks this daily low, it's gonna go to weekly low. So that's why I know this thing is gonna come here. So once they come here, you might have another buy. So from this H4 time frame, I'll move down to 15 minutes chart. And then in the 15 minutes chart, we're going to mark out all our take profits. So I'll change this thing to line chart. Change this to color to red. So this is a TP. Now I'll have to just mark out all of the resistance now turning support. So the support is now where we're taking profit from. The significant ones though. So this one and here we have this. This is it. And the structure, the current structure. So price was here as the high and the low. Then from here, price came, broke structure, pull back, we have a continuation to the upside. So this is the current structure. Then price came here, broke out, then price pulled back, so there was no continuation to the upside. So this is just a false breakout. Then we are now continuing to drop. So because price has broken this low, this place now becomes our upper structure. So we're waiting for it to give us a pullback so we can have the low. Yeah. That is it. And let me do okay. So I'm expecting this thing to drop down to at least 1785. 1785 is my target. But you can scalp by taking profit here, wait for pullback, then enter again. So pretty much this. Then let me do GBP JPY. This GBP JPY has really stressed me. on the weekly chart, so from the weekly chart, we can see that price gave us this low and gave us this high. So, but this is the most recent. This low and this high, then price dropped here, came back up here. So it's just the same thing. So we're going to use this part of the chart. So for the weekly, I use orange. It's just the same thing, but I want to focus here. So not focusing there actually cost me some damages for the past few days. So this is the low and the high and the weekly. Then when I go down to the daily, I'll start my analysis from here. So the daily, remember we need two candles to form a structure. So this is our, here we have our daily high. And for the daily, I use red line. I was initially targeting here. We already have two candles pulling back. To confirm that, you can move down this to D2. So you can see that we have a confirmed structure there. So let me go back to 1D. So from here, this is our current weekly high and low. So this is our current weekly high. This is our current weekly low. Then the red one is our daily high. This is our daily low. So when I go down to H4, I will start my analysis from here, from this recent one. So we come down to H4. So for all where we have two candles structure on H4, I'm going to mark them out. So this is going to be blue. Also the same thing here. Here. This is the high. And the same thing here. I'm going to adjust this. Okay, I think it's okay. So this is what we're having on GBPJPY. Now I'll go down to H1 to mark out all the take profit area. So on this H1, all our take profits for buys from here, change this to blue. X. So this is now. So I was initially targeting here. I posted this earlier. Once I saw this morning. So this is now our H4 high. And this one is now our H4 low. So once I saw, immediately I saw this morning, and I said, okay, this thing is actually going on. Look. No, there's something I'm missing. There's something I'm missing. Let me go back to that H4. I'm missing something. So look, price gave us this low. So price, this is the high. Price broke out of this high. When price broke out, price pulled back here to retest this low, then give us continuation to the upside. So now we now have this place now is where we are focusing on. So we're no longer using the button since it has been broken. So this is what I wanted to achieve here. So instead of using the bottom, because we know we are now in a buying market, so price will come back to retest this place. And when I go back to 15 minutes, that's what we can see happening already. Price already came back to retest 1, 2. You see how strong it's holding. I believe this thing is actually even coming, because this has been tested 3 times. We have a W formation, more like a W formation. So once the price came back here and I saw it somewhere around here, I started targeting to this blue line. If you missed that, this is where I started targeting. This is where I started buying from. I believe price will come here actually. Maybe this take profit is hit. I'll wait for pullback, then I'll buy again. No. Yeah. No, hold on. Stop my chart. All right. Yeah. I will have to stop this. I'll do GU later.